Lesson 7, we are going to be talking about slope. What is slope? The definition of slope is, it is the constant rate of change between points on a line. The constant rate of change between points on a line. That is what slope is. That is a definition. Also, all right, it is a direction of the rise to the run of a line. Okay, remember we saw slope as rise over run. Have you remember seeing rise over run? Okay, and in slope-intercept form, it is represented by the variable m. So when you see slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, this m is the slope. So let's talk about different variations of the slope. Now this line, because you read graphs going from left to right, this line has a positive slope. So this is a positive slope. Okay, see how he's going up the mountain? Now, again, we read graphs left to right. So is this line going up or down as you move across the graph? It is going down the graph. So this will have a negative slope. And you can see that because he's going down the mountain. So these are what we're going to be talking the most about. Okay. And then this is a what slope? Zero slope is what we discussed at our school. So that has zero slope. He's just going, walking across, do, 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 do. And then here, this has no slope. Straight down. Yikes. Falling straight down. Okay, so let's look at this. So rise over run, the vertical change over horizontal change. Okay, so that when you talk about vertical change, those are your y numbers. Can you see that? Your y's, numbers on your y-axis. And when you talk about run, your horizontal change, that is your x-axis. Okay? So let's look at the slope here. So I'm going to help you with 1 through 6, and then the rest of the page is for your homework. So here's a dot and here's a dot. We can assume that these graphs all represent 1. Okay, so let's look at this. We start on the left always. So this is 0. This is -1. This is -2. So that's a -2. -2. I'm going to write that. -2. And then this is 0, and this is 1, 2, okay? So 2 right here, and where are we? So this ordered pair is -2, and we go down -2, so x, y. And here, this is +2, and how many do we go up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 5. That's that ordered pair. Okay, however, we're not going to deal with ordered pairs today. This is what I'll reference in the second video. You're going to find the slope be given 2 points. So that's video number 2. Okay, so we're going to do rise in green, okay, and run in yellow. So rise over run. All right, so rise. Okay, our rise is green and our run is yellow. Oops, I didn't go up enough. And then I measure by doing loops. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7. So our rise is 7. And then we're gonna run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise over run. 4. Rise over run. Okay, so that's our green number right here. That's our rise over our run, which is our yellow number right there. Okay, let's do another one. Can you see okay? Okay, we're going over here. So where are these dots? One is here and one is here. Okay, so our rise. Well, as we go from left to right, are we going down or up? We're going down, so I'm gonna go down to here, and then our run is all the way from here, all the way here. Perfect. All right, so again, I use loops to count, and I know I said these are all like 1 unit. You need to watch the scale though when you're doing other homework from other people. The scale on the graph can always change. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3. So that's down 3, so that's gonna be a -3. And then how many times over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And over 9. So again, this was our green number. And this was our yellow number. Perfect. You know, I can't get over here because this black thing's in the way. Okay. Let's move to number 5. These ones don't have, yeah, you're good. Okay, so here, where's the dot? Here and here. All right, so this graph goes in the direction of up as I read it from left to right, so it will have a positive slope, so I know that it will have a positive number. So let's go up and over. Oh, and this one can be simplified. Didn't even think about that. Sorry. All right, so up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 5. And run 1, 2, 3. There you go. Our rise was 5, our green number, and our run was 3. Again, you can change these numbers. Right now, for the sake of just finding the slope, I'm keeping them as is. All right, let's do one more. Where's the dots? Doop and doop. Up to, yep. Oh, sorry, I wasn't supposed to tell you that. And over. So this is up 1, 2. So up 2. And this is over 1, 2. That can be reduced to 1. Again, this was my green number. This is rise over run. I'm trying to stay organized and visually help you because I highlighted here, rise is your Y axis numbers and your run is your X. So going up and down is the Y axis. Going left and right is your X axis. Those are just reminders. So again, no slope and 0 slope are these, and you shouldn't have many of those for your homework. So, nope, you have 1, 2. All right, good luck on the rest of it. Let me know if you need help.